Do you remember what you want, Angela?
Come here, I'll take the class. You been a good girl this year? Really? More good tonight when I come by here. Here's Will. Before I say hello, you like your leg, yeah. So what else do you want for Christmas? You forgot? I know what you want already. So open up that one. That's just a little one before Christmas. And let's see what this is for. How you doing, Jason? There's a little gift for you. I'm gonna bring you some more good things tonight. You've been doing good? Yeah. Should Angela open it for you? Yeah. You'll have a good Christmas, buddy. Good Christmas.
Oh.
Let's see what else kind of goodies you have in Santa Claus's bag.
I used to have one of those.
Oh, to the little Steven.
That's the sleepiest sleepy girl I ever saw. Look what Santa Claus brought. Don't you want to see it? I know you do. Look at the smile on your face. Look. Well, look. Jeez, Daddy. She's not playing the part. Look at that stuff Daddy brought. Santa Claus brought you. Look at that. What's that? Go see. Go see. What's that big thing in the corner? A skateboard with a dinosaur. That's what you wanted, Daddy. Isn't he funny? Look at that.
Yeah, not heavy.
All right. Huh?
And look at the wheat.
Isn't that neato, huh? Black and pink. Let's see what else you have over here.
Red. No color on the bottom.
Well, you can't have everything. Okay.
Some of them have color on the bottom.
Oh, they do?
These kind, some of them.
Okay, well, get in there. How about this one?
This new bike.
How about it? Is that cool or what?
Yeah. But I wish we got one that had pink and purple wheels.
It's got pink and purple wheels. It's got purple everywhere with pink fake pink
No,
splatters.
but here.
Oh.
That's what I mean.
Oh. Well, sometimes you can't. Santa Claus can't be so specific. Why don't you look at that? You don't know what it is. You don't know what it is. What's that? Well, wait. Don't open that one yet.
I'm just going to put it.
Let's see.
See what I mean? That's the cartridge.
There's the cartridge. A Sonic 2.
What?
And a Sega Genesis. All right. Oh, we gotta keep all the papers in there.
I was just looking at the secret papers.
That game board. That game.
Yeah, crashing.
Hey, wait a minute. What about the stockings?
The whole thing down and help yourself, Angela.
I think yours is the one in the middle, Angela.
What?
The one in the middle.
Mine.
Must be. What you got there?
Get out of the way so the camera can see, Angela.
That's all it is.
Oh, right. Oh, but look. That's not candy.
Yeah.
Hey, look, that's not candy. And what's this?
Now don't do it for.
Oh,
Oh, my
yeah, but we can make this one go around your neck. You have to put it
God.
on.
Around the wrist.
Uh-huh. And plenty of goodies, huh?
Say. That's why I want you to push me.
You think that kickstand is cool?
No.
There you go.
What are you doing? Is this a Mari Flexar bike?